I spy aloe vera plants and I ran out of gel. And I forgot to get some today when I went out. But luckily my landlord has some, so I'm going to ask her if I could get a few leaves so that I could take care of my hair for the week and won't be looking too crazy. I love it here. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Right now I'm looking at my hair and it's not doing well. The only products that I had left had protein in it, and my hair does not like protein, so this is what I'm left with for right now until I'm able to find something to help me take care of my hair. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I'm struggling to take care of my hair here in Cambodia. There's not a lot of products for hair like mine, and so I'm struggling, but I found a few products that kind of work, but I forgot to get it when I was at the market. And earlier I saw that my landlord has a lot of aloe vera plants, so I'm going to ask her if I could have a few and I'll be able to take care of my head for the week. So let's see. Walking to go get aloe vera leaves. I'm so excited. My landlord says she'll give me some. I spy aloe vera.
This is not so good actually. We go to the back.
Oh, you have some back here? Okay.
You can have more if you want. Not just only one.
Oh, wow. You buy the whole plants at the store like this?
Oh
or?
no, it's growing a lot. I
Really?
just got one or two of this.
And then?
I just throw it away a lot, you know. I pick it because if it's too many, it's not good, you know.
Wow.
I throw it away.
Wow.
It doesn't growing good, you know. It's coming like a lot of small plants. I don't need it much, just like one of this. There's only one plant. Then it's growing big if you keep a lot. Just a lot.
Okay. Well, this should last me.
You have a lot of sunshine.
Yeah, it grows
It's
better.
good, yeah.
Wow.
But like in the rainy season, we don't have enough sunshine, so it's growing not so.
Oh, okay.
Not meaning if you cut it or you keep it. If you keep it very long, it's going to, you know, get too old and then become red, and you cannot use it anymore. You need to plant. You need to plant it new if it's like,
To grow a whole plant?
Yeah, it's very easy to grow it. You know?
Oh, you have them everywhere. Wow. Okay.
It's very easy to grow. I love it. It's juice. It's quite nice. That's why you plant it.
Okay.
To add more soil, but I'm lazy to add it. Which one do you want? You take which one?
I don't want to take your big one.
Eh?
I said I don't want to take your big one. Let me see.
Which one is more easy for you?
Let me see.
I can cut. I'm going to cut it to small piece anyway.
Oh, I'll just take this one maybe.
One enough?
Yeah, it should be. I will try to make it last.
You can take one.
My hair is looking crazy. I forgot to get my gel. But luckily, I saw that my landlord had some aloe leaf plants, and she just cut me a lot. So I should be good for the week. I'm so excited. So the time has come for me to try to take care of this head of mine. My hair is still looking really crazy, thanks to my leave-in conditioner that has protein in it. My hair hates protein, as you can see. And I don't have any shampoo or conditioner, so I'm just going to wet it and try to detangle my hair and then use this aloe leaf after I let it soak for a while. So I'm going to let this soak for maybe about 15 minutes. And then I'll come back and then I'll cut it open and get started on my head. I finally finished wetting my hair and detangling it, and I cut up some of the aloe vera leaf. Now I'm about to put it in my hair and see what the results are. Where do I begin? I don't know. The top part of my hair is drying so fast, so I don't know. I think I'll start in the back. That'll be easier to keep out the way. No gel, aloe vera to the rescue. It's starting to look halfway decent. I might need smaller sections. Let's see. I wonder if I should use some of this little bit of leave-in conditioner I got left. Maybe I'll try it on the next piece and see if there's a difference. A little bit left. Just raking it through. Maybe the back needs some conditioner too. Even though I put it on in different orders, I don't know if it would make a difference. See, bouncy. Finally got some definition back to my curls. So far, it's looking halfway decent. Some pieces of my hair are different textures, some sections. My hair gets dry so fast, tangled fast. In the middle of my hair is the shortest. My hair gets so thin, especially over here. But what can you do? Next to the last piece on this side. Front of my hair be so dry, raggedy and coarse. Might as well use these little pieces of leaf that's got some of the gel still on there. My hair is really hard to manage, especially when it's out, so I'm just gonna probably put it in a ponytail. Adding some more water. This stuff is so dry. My goodness. The driest part of my hair is in the middle. I think, what am I going to do with it? I'm just going to do 2 little twisty buns. Try to lock in some of this moisture. It's better than what it was, so I can't complain. One side down, one to go. I guess I'll come back when I finish. This side is looking right. This side is looking pretty good. I got 2 more pieces and I'll be done this side. Final look. I know that it's not going to last, so I'm probably going to have to put it up in a ponytail or some other kind of style to be able to manage it. So that's that. It's better than what it was. Thanks, Aloe Vera leaf, for your hydration. Of course, I decided to put it in a ponytail because it's more manageable that way. So I'm just trying to lay my little edges down. I need to stop wearing a ponytail. That's why my hair breaks off around this part. Well, there's my plain Jane bun. Thanks to Aloe Vera leaf gel. Well, plain Jane is calling it a night. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.